Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a circuit with Electra. At the end of this video, you should be able to grasp the basics of this software and start drawing independently. So let's get started. First, click on the new Electra drawing template to open a new drawing. And then you should be able to see the Electra tab or menu every time you start a new drawing. It's important to see that tab because it means that it has loaded. Notice that there's a list of stencils near the left, which contains symbols and wires that you can drag and drop onto your drawing. Stencils in Visio are customizable. You can right-click on a stencil, select View, and then select Names under Icons to show symbol names under the icons. Or you can select View Icons Only to show icons without their names. Another way to show names and descriptions is to hover over the icons, and you can preview their names and descriptions. To view a larger stencil, drag the separate line between the stencil list and the drawing area to enlarge or reduce the space for stencil viewing. If you would like to open and view multiple stencils, you can drag on the stencil's title bar and drop it below. Okay, so let's begin drawing. Drag a symbol or wire from a stencil and drop it into the drawing area. Note that all symbols have an alignment box indicated by the blue dashed lines. When a symbol is selected, make sure that the alignment box is placed on the grid lines with a zoom of between 83% and 133% to ensure the symbols and wires are properly aligned. All symbols in Electra are made with alignment boxes that allow easy placement on grid lines. Therefore, even though you can zoom in at very high levels, it is important to zoom out back to 117% and make sure alignment boxes are on the grid lines to ensure everything is aligned for easier circuit creation. Wires then can be easily placed onto drawings. Drag the wire ends to connect to symbols. When you approach a symbol with a wire, Visio will automatically show symbol connection points with a blue X mark. These connection points are for display only and won't show up on printings. Once a wire is connected to a symbol, the blue X changes into a red box, indicating that a connection has been made. You can right-click on all symbols and wires to explore more options. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you look up on other Electra tutorials too.